What's up, my people? How y'all feeling? How y'all doing? Y'all, so stay tuned, because me and my daddy going fishing again, y'all. It's been a minute. He don't like the cold, y'all. Remember how he was bundled up the last time?
You got a friend behind you. On top of the motor.
But it is a nice 80+ degrees. It's overcast outside today, so we about to go see what we can do. Stay tuned.
I think it's a perch.
Perch?
Yep.
A red fin, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. You gonna keep them?
Mm-hmm. Come on. Yep, I'm gonna keep it.
Look how you got that thing wrapped up around there. You see the teeth on that thing? Hold on.
Mm-hmm. You'll bite the cranes out of wheat.
Well, don't.
I know, I ain't get. I know about these things.
Well, wait a minute. Let me get the pliers.
Mm-hmm. You hook good too.
Yep, I'm gonna have to replace that little hook. Yeah.
You just gotta bend that hook, get it out.
There you go.
Okay, open up the thing, let me put it in.
Well, he will wrap up in the net.
You get out, but I'll check him out. Where you put him at? Back there. Let me know where you can get the pie. Wait a minute.
You just wrap up around this thing like that. You need to calm down. No, not yet. You just need to turn one more time. There you go. Then you gonna eat them.
Mm-hmm. You're kind of soft, but you gotta know how to fry them.
Okay.
That's a mud.
What do they call bowfins? Some people call them bowfins.
Oh, I know mud.
But how the vinegar stiffen the meat?
I forget, vinegar and something else you put them in. Meat real soft.
When you gonna cook them?
I know. If I have time, I might clean them today.
Okay, y'all, so 2 things I know about my daddy. When he get quiet, he's eating or sleeping. But then I started hearing the squirming in the seat.
He's like a pretty big one.
Uh-oh. Oh, yeah.
Swallow it, isn't it?
Yep. That's another brim.
Yeah, just cut the line.
Well, you gonna cook them in?
Yeah, I'm gonna cut it. You can't get that hook out.
I should be able to get it out.
Let it swallow.
That's a nice one.
Just cut it. That way he'll still be alive. Yeah. Just take it like scissors and just cut it.
Well, if he swallow it anyway.
Then you swallow it. Just cut it. That one that still be living.
All right.
You pull it out, he gonna die.
Yep, that's a good one. I said, that's a good one. You sure that look like a shell cracker?
No, that's a black brown.
Alrighty.
It's a black brown.
I can't put this one in there. I said, I can't put this one in there.
No, you throw that one back. Too small.
Well, he took that one quick, right there by that dock.
Mm-hmm. It might be feed them down. Mm-hmm.
That's a GoPro highlight. Oh, missed him.
And there goes that squirming again, y'all. But this time, instead of a fish, it was the life jacket.
You want that jacket? Another perch. Yeah, they're about the same size. This one is a little bit bigger. Oh! trying to get away. I think I'm caught. It just don't feel right.
And the struggles of putting the boat back on the trailer continues, y'all. But why? Okay, I'm appreciative because this guy did help me. But when he went to wrench it down, why he left like a 6-inch gap in there? So me and my daddy had to back the boat back down the ramp again just so we can secure it to the trailer. But you know what? Safety first. I still appreciate him. Thank you.
Yeah, we caught some brim. Not much. We were shellcrack fishing really, but...
I'm gonna let y'all go.
Oh, you good? I ain't got no rush.
I'm having a...
You trying to get it up on that thing, ain't you?
Yeah, I'm having a time. That's too far.
I'll hook you up.
Thank you.
Ain't no problem. That was perfect.
Third time's a charm.
That's right. All righty.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Ain't no problem. I have to tighten it down a little bit more.
All right, go ahead.
We didn't skunk. Nice size, bro. Woo-hoo.
Yep.
And he said this one, he good. Okay. What is that, y'all?
Daddy! There's something in here crawling on the fish. I don't know what this is. Oh, he moving. I let the water out. Huh? I let the water in it. What do you mean, when we on the lake? It's some kind of worm or something. I mean, it ain't gonna eat the fish, but it's crawling on it. Huh? That's why I got this rain suit on. He don't want to cooperate. I don't have the right tools to be fooling around with this thing. See, you playing around and you gonna lose all your teeth in all your teeth gonna be gone. So you want me to just pick this one up? Oh! Yeah, you know these fish strong. Man, shoot. Okay. No, I'm just gonna scoop them up in the bag. Oh Lord, he'll slide out the bag. Huh? He slide out the bag. You just want me to just drop him in here? So I can just pick this thing up.
Yeah. You know how to catch it.
She did catch all of them. I'm proof. I watched.